Hey, what's up guys, this is Biptura, and in this video we are going to talk about college seniors and the condition of my university, also the topics like ragging and also situations of other university where India stands today right now, and the experience of all my school friends who are studying in different universities, different colleges across the whole country. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now before starting, the whole video is going to be time stamped in the description below, so if you feel like skipping a part of the video, you can definitely check out the timestamp. Initially I also had some crazy ideas about ragging and ragging, especially in engineering colleges, but because obviously I have also grown up watching movies like Three Idiots and other Bollywood stuff, so my mind was very much fixed when the topic called ragging was concerned. But in actual practice, in today's world, ragging is not as predominant as it was maybe 10 years back. So you won't get to see that physical torturing or anything of sort anymore, but sometimes there can be a little bit of healthy banter or maybe a bit of leg pulling between a senior and a junior, but those are really healthy. Nothing serious normally happens. Nothing serious normally happens. Now if I talk about my university, ragging is actually strictly prohibited inside the campus, but the scenario is kind of just the opposite. Seniors in Jalapur University are too much friendly. When I first had gone to Jalapur University for my counseling purposes, the whole procedure, the whole choice filling, everything was explained to me simply by all the seniors, which I try to do with this YouTube channel, but and although others are also trying with their Facebook accounts and all, but the thing is, there is always a kind of attitude to help the juniors inside the campus, though ragging is actually far apart. There's the situation is kind of just the opposite. The seniors are actually very helpful. They try to help in all possible aspects. They're starting from drawing the non-linear curves of engineering drawings, and not only that too, if someone has some financial problems, which normally has, because Rutherford is a place where a lot of poor category people come to study. So there the seniors have a lot of role to play. They arrange for their free staying at least, or maybe some free food in canteens. So all that is arranged by the student, by the seniors. Not only that, a week before the exam, the seniors also send some sample papers, some papers they make themselves for the juniors, so that all the students who have not prepared well throughout the semester can also get a decent marks. Not only that, that sample paper is kind of almost a Xerox copy of the paper which comes the next day. That is obviously their experience, and they know what can come and what cannot, so they are like really helpful. So having a bond with the seniors can be helpful. The situation of ragging is just the opposite here in Jalapur University, at least. Now the situation is not the exact same when it comes to hostels. Most of my friends stay in PGs or their own home, but some of my friends also stay in hostels, and what they have told me that the situation is not the exact same of that of the campus environment. There is still some seniors who love to play around means like they love to pull the legs, some healthy banters and nothing else. And maybe some they like force you, not force, maybe a mutual understanding between them is there to solve their practical problems, or maybe do their projects, practical sheets. So there is kind of a mutual induction going on. The seniors take the juniors out for some treats, and the best thing is that I have not received like a complaint that I am being forced to do something by the seniors. I cannot concentrate on my things. Not that, but I have asked them, don't you feel like you don't want to do it? No, I want to do it because I get like a cold drink every day for doing practical works. So there is a kind of mutual induction going on between seniors and juniors in hostels, which is actually not the case in when it comes to main campus. Main campus, it actually doesn't matter who is a senior, who is a junior. Everyone is bro. It's chill. Now some of my friends are in IST Shibpur and IIT Durgapur and other colleges, and there the situation is a bit tight, not as loose as that of Jadavpur University. There's also a great bonding between the seniors and juniors, but that little bit of healthy banter and leg pulling is a bit more, sometimes a really bit more, but that's all. Mutual understanding is there a lot better. Like seniors really respect their juniors as well, and juniors as well respect their seniors. They get a lot of information from their seniors about companies, about clubs, about everything. Actually, your seniors know your university, your college better than you. Obviously, they have studied in that college for more than you, like at least 1 year more than you. So it's obviously their responsibility to help you in your journey, and normally they do that. So you will get that in almost all colleges, and what you have known over the years about ragging, that is not going to happen in normal cases. Another thing is, you should definitely treat everything as a little fun, not take everything so seriously. If you consider it as a bit of enjoyment, take it sportingly, then it won't bother you. But if it really starts bothering you, then you should really reach out societies, ragging, anti-ragging forms. You will have to fill up anti-ragging forms, and there you will be getting a lot of phone numbers, emergency helpline numbers, where you can reach out to if you are in trouble. I don't think you will have to, but if you really are bothered by anyone, then you should really reach out to societies, because the thing is, if someone is really bothered, they don't reach out to societies. And the thing is, if you report the complaint, that is going to be dealt very seriously. The thing is, most of the cases, they are not reported. So it's better to if take everything casually with little fun if something is going on, and if something is really bothering you, you should definitely report it, and you will get results as well. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked my video, and comment down in the comment section what you think about seniors, what's your idea about ragging and all, and I will meet you in my next one.